Hello, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. Today, I'm going to be covering the 10th topic in my Selling a Home series. Should I get a pre-listing home inspection? If you're like most buyers, when you purchased your current home, you probably had an inspection done after you made your initial offer on the home. As the buyer, you paid for the inspection and used the information learned from the inspector's report to either negotiate further with the seller, move forward with the sale, or walk away from the deal altogether. We can all agree that a buyer walking away after inspection is one of the worst feelings. It is something we want to avoid if possible. So, should you consider a pre-listing home inspection? The short answer is yes, you should consider it. If you've lived in your home a long time, things can change. You may not be aware of any existing issues, but ignorance is not always bliss. If you get a pre-listing home inspection by a professional inspector, they can often find any major issues like water intrusion, mold, pests, or anything else that we might not be aware of, so we can decide if we want to remedy them prior to listing or just prepare ourselves in case the issues come up. Getting your home inspected before you put your house on the market can be a very good idea to avoid the headache down the line. If you think you may want to consider a pre-listing inspection, you should consider the following items. The cost is minimal. On average, the typical inspection costs $500. When you think about the cost of a buyer walking away from the deal, this is truly minimal. I would encourage you to also consider this as yet another cost to prepare your home for market, just like deep cleaning, painting, decluttering, and organizing or staging. When lumped with those other things that can bring top dollar, it can all be worth it. It ensures that all disclosures are made to potential buyers. As the seller, you are required by law to disclose any problems with your property to potential buyers that you have any knowledge of. As real estate experts state, providing potential buyers with a full disclosure report based on a professional home inspection proves you have nothing to hide, which could help you sell your home faster. You save time and energy. You and your realtor will either choose to make any repairs necessary in advance, or you'll work together to price your home to reflect what the inspector found. Taking this step could save you quite a bit of back and forth with the buyer and the buyer's agent. This can also help to shorten the home buying process. In addition, you're removing potential obstacles before they become an issue. Way to be proactive. You also eliminate unnecessary stress and potential surprises. Let's not deal with the stress of having to come back to market or give the buyer more money than is needed for something that could have just been avoided. It shows good faith to potential buyers and increases your buyer's confidence in your property. A pre-listing inspection could help you with future legal liability. It could prove difficult for the buyers of your home to sue you for not disclosing a defect when you presented them with a detailed inspection report up front. And if they did decide to pursue legal action against you, it could help you that you had a pre-listing inspection done. I hope you learned a lot of information about the benefits of having a pre-listing home inspection done before listing your home on the market. Please remember, Maiga Homes real estate team is here to help you determine if getting a pre-listing home inspection is the right choice for you. We even work with Home Team Inspection Services as a preferred vendor. We refer you, saving you time, money, and stress. Call our office to schedule an appointment to meet with our team today. And as always, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I'm part of a global real estate company and can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. Next week's episode will cover 5 things to think about when selling a rural property. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel today and tune in weekly to learn more about selling your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.